This giant panda cub has just turned 1.5 years old. Its earliest memories of life are filled with fun and happiness. There is so much delicious food to eat, so many fun things to do, and so many friends to play with. And as well as that, there are other pandas here.
我们要尽量的减少人为的干扰，就是让培训的大熊猫不要接触到人类和依赖人类。如果它要满足在野外生存的话，首先它要在野外有一个健康的体魄，然后寻找食物、寻找水源，基本上就是要满足以上的这些条件，我们才能够把它放归到野外。
The giant panda cub born in the building doesn't know about the promise that humans have made to nature. In the near future, it will return to the vast land behind it, the Sichuan Giant Panda Sanctuaries, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. There, it will find clean air, abundant forests, its fellow animals, and its true home.